Hello, just wanted to show you this set of lights that I want to send you. There are a couple little minor flaws with them, but they were hand polished and taped and retrim painted, and so were the housings. So on the passenger one, I don't see any damage to the housing. Let me make sure I got all my studs here. Yep, full of studs, painted down the inside. Painted on the top. As far as flaws, this was an outsourced refresh, so I can't stand behind the craftsmanship just yet. He used my materials, but I don't know if he got a full crisp line everywhere. I mean, they look really good, especially from far away. It appears there is a scratch right on the corner there, right there on the passenger, and I'm sure there's some other things that I'm missing inches away that you probably wouldn't ever see installed. I tried to take this video with the light off because it was really reflective and hard to see any detail, so maybe I'm being overly cautious, but I just want you to see them before they go in the box. The actual surface of the lenses also still has some light hazing and scratch marks. But overall, pretty nice. I just want you to know that it's not mint condition or perfect. There are some little flaws probably in the lenses and in the craftsmanship, but as advertised, they're an original set that have never been unsealed, so these should stick together forever. Yeah, all the studs are here. The inside of the housing's painted, the top of the housing's painted. This one has a chip right here at the bottom of the lens. So it's there, you can see it when it's installed, but it's very, very low. And I noticed some more like heat cracks, stress cracks. Like I see a bunch of them right in here. That's hard to see. But no obvious cracks, no missing plastic, nothing crazy. I want to say there might have been, yeah, there's a little scratch right in front of my finger right there, a little scratch in the reverse. So not perfect. If I didn't mention these things, you'd probably overlook a few of them, but I'm pretty thorough, as you know. And I do have your heater controls already boxed up. I got a real nice one out of a 50,000 mile car, so you'll be impressed with that. Yeah, there's some scratching right here. Just light scratching, not anything I can grab with my fingernail. Just maybe when he brought them to and from home in the cardboard box or something like that, maybe. With another hand buff, I'm sure most of that will go away. But the drivers is the chip on the bottom, couple stress cracks up in here, heat cracks, heat marks, whatever they're called. Very hard to show you. And there's not a lot of them. 2 handfuls maybe. But I think that's it. So just wanted to show them to you before I put them in the box. Make sure you're cool with them. And I've already got the other part out. So thank you. Talk to you soon.